In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the HubSpot add-in for Outlook, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate your contacts and enhance your sales processes directly from your email. Let's dive into the steps and make the process simple and straightforward. First, let's start with installing the add-in directly from HubSpot. You'll need to navigate to the HubSpot Marketplace. To do this, simply click on the Marketplace icon located in the top navigation bar of your HubSpot account. Once you're there, you'll want to use the search bar to find either the Outlook contacts or HubSpot Sales Outlook desktop add-in. Both options essentially achieve the same outcome, so you're free to choose based on your needs. Once you've found the add-in, you'll see an option to install app. Click on this button and you'll be guided through a series of on-screen instructions. These are important as they'll walk you step by step through the process of connecting your Outlook account with HubSpot. Remember, it's essential to ensure all permissions and connections are properly set to maximize functionality. For those who prefer starting from Outlook itself, here's how you do it. Begin by opening a new email in your Outlook. On the top toolbar, look for three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on these dots and you'll find an option labeled Get Add-ins. Selecting this will take you to the add-in store, a place where you can find a wide variety of enhancements for your emails. In the search bar of the add-in store, type HubSpot. Once again, you will see the HubSpot add-in displayed in the search results. Click on it and you will see an Add button. Click on Add, and at this point, Outlook will handle the installation. It might take a few moments, so be patient while it's being added to your Outlook setup. There's an alternative for those who manage an entire team or organization. If you are an administrator, you have the power to push this add-in across all users automatically. Using centralized deployment, you can ensure every team member has access to the HubSpot tools they need without each person needing to install it individually. This method can save significant time and ensure uniformity across the board. Now, with everything installed and ready, your Outlook and HubSpot should be working together seamlessly, making your sales process more efficient. Whether you're managing contacts, tracking email opens, or logging data, having HubSpot integrated into Outlook is a powerful asset for any sales team or individual. So, take a moment today to navigate through these steps and elevate your email functionalities to the next level. Until next time, happy selling!